All right, let's start by taking out your outer gas cap door. Evidently, you do have to take the sticker off. All right, so on the back of the gas door here, there's a little tab here. If you look right there. So this tab, what you're gonna do is get behind there with a screwdriver, straight slot, and just pry outward on it, just like that. Okay, and then when you pry out on it, you just pull straight out, and your whole door will just come right off. All right, so now you have 3 tabs that you have to deal with. So here's where one of the tabs will slide in under, right here, and the other 2, there's gonna be one here and one here. And what it looks like is this. So let's flip it around. So this is one of the tabs right here. So if you notice right down below here, that's got a little notch sticking out right here, and that actually fits underneath this. And then up over here on these, the same thing. If you look, it has a little notch sticking out here, and there's one on this side also. So what happens is you have to line this one up first. So what you're gonna do is just stick it on here. Let me move you around here so you can see what I'm doing. And what you're gonna have is, it has to sit flat, just like this. If it does not sit flat, and if you notice, see how these tabs here all line up, and you can just push it directly straight in like that. That's what you're looking for. So this has to be flush. And then what you do is just push forward until it locks. And there you go. Now it's locked into place. Make sure that it's flush all the way around. If it is not, you're gonna have to take and pry out on this little tab here and then pull it out again.